Hello guys, I'm Raymond T. Sandoval from BSECE, second year -1. So for today's video, we are going to do the experiment number 6, which is entitled AM demodulation. So what is AM demodulation? If you've completed experiment 4, then you've seen what happens when you use a 2 kHz sine wave to amplitude modulate a carrier to produce an AM signal. Importantly, you would have seen a key characteristics of an AM signal. Its envelopes are the same shape as the message, though the lower envelope is inverted. Recovering the original message from a modulated carrier is called demodulation, and this is the main purpose of communications and telecommunications receivers. The circuit that is widely used to demodulate AM signal is called an envelope detector. The block diagram of an envelope detector is shown maya-maya. So yon, ano nga ba yung mga kinakailangan nating equipment sa experiment na to? So the first one is the Emona Telecom Strainer 101. So ito yon. Then dual channel 20 MHz oscilloscope, 2 Emona Telecom Strainer 101 oscilloscope LEDs, and assorted Emona Telecom Strainer 101 patch LEDs. So ito yung mga yun. So umpisahan na natin ang experiment.
Okay, ayan ha. So, yan yung mga final. So, itatapos nyo na yan. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin ulit. Okay? Okay, so lahat ng mga inasoli na saan? What the box?
Hello. 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 Hello.
Friend ako sa distancing kayo, friend. Layo yung Facebook.
Alam mo naman, allergy stage siya.